Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Shakit Kmi, but Kikubo, Baman Kasi.
Chairman cum Managing Director ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited Arun Kumar Kembhavi mentakas ngi ulayat ho baka MEECL klayo lumbay thangding kumbahan riu pusan hadu nyop ho klur man ubnay nakipat ba Henry katanat penmi boarding ka jela kadang sitom ban siu ketulop kinong tray na marbabon palat karam bahaban siu man ubnay syaki company sam boarding habu jubab ya ka jingkeli balay ka MEECL ka hap siu bet ya karam watla ka jinjar ban siu ketulop kinong tray man ubnay nakaliang Arun Kumar Kembhavi ulaong balada ka MEECL kam siu karam bakot shkilay punyaw klur nakabenta ubnay naiwing arhajar arpo ka MEECL kan kalalong kum babam hati kit kulay bat kan bu jing ya ka MEECL ban yo ram nakiway ki company sam boarding na markam la ban penkuat ya karam katong hi jong ka MEECL ka day ban siu ketulop kinong tray man katayaw baning kong jong bunay Henry ka MEECL ru ka hap ban bu Ahmad ya katong ban siu karam syaki company na kabenta ban kuilut karam kenang baka jingyo boarding ki ba ka jela kan om thut hakipor bakerdu laong Arun Kumar Kembhavi CMD ka MEECL laong ru baka tanat penmi boarding kadon kam hadu life riu klur na kabenta ban siu ketulop kinong tray bat ka MEECL ka don jinkerman ban siu no ketulop hakatayaw baning kong jo ubanay no pra arhajar arpo ulakan tu ya kinong tray bakim day ban peteng ka jing ki jongki Henry ki day ban ipor bat ban ya tray lang bat ka MEECL kenang baka jing penyo boarding shki pat ba kan ya bet ya renti bat nakalyang ka MEECL ru kandang wat kilat kilenti ban siu bet ya ketulop jongki hakapor balabu laban biang Arun Kumar Kembhavi Arun Kumar Kembhavi laong ru baka tenat penmi boarding kadang syakram kumbahan riu spak kelur manakalyang ka MEECL ka don jinkerman ban siu no kumba sau spak kelur hakilai benai bat kani kanyaram ya ka MEECL ban kenshow pisa nakabenta ban yo ban siu ya ketulop kinong tray man ubenai hakawai kalyang Arun Kumar Kembhavi laong nadu baula syemti kum CMD ka MEECL ula pendunai ka jing pelut pisa katenat penmi boarding na kabenta ki kam ki bamdon benta hakaliang penmi boarding ni sam boarding shkipat ba ka jela ula ongru ba menta usnem ka MEECL ka nom pelip lait kha kha kum ba julong man usnem hakapor telang bat na kabenta ka ni ka MEECL kan hap ban siu ben ya karam kum ba jusiu man ubenai knang baki company sam boarding kinang yai Iram boarding syaka MEECL.
Day before yesterday, that is, I think on Friday evening, I met the employees of all the MECL. There were like 200 people gathered within the office itself. Then there was no association, there was no union. They claimed themselves to be the employees of MECL. So some of the leaders of the employees came and met me. So they told me that there is no protest as such, and this is a spontaneous reaction to the delay in dispersal of salary by the management of the MECL. Then when we gathered here in my room, I made them understand that the corporation is going through severe financial crisis, because all this while there was COVID relaxation by the government of India for loan repayment. So we haven't paid any we haven't repaid any of the loan that the MECL had taken for construction of Mintedu Leshka hydroelectric project, or projects like Killing substation, and so many other loans, short-term loans, long-term loans, debt servicing. So now we are feeling the pinch in the month of November and December. In November we require a total quantum of 37 crore just for repayment of loan, and in the month of December we require a total sum of 74 crore, that is equal to 111 crore in 2 months. And our salary outgo per month is 36 crore per month, which we haven't paid for the month of October till now. So our revenue collection is 65 to 70 crore from the bill collection every month, but our net outgo in terms of power purchase cost, salary, pension, and debt servicing exceeds 120. So we have a net loss of nearly 50 crore per month. So in spite of that, I told them I made a plea before all the employees that please give us some time. We can give the management some time because we are trying to raise some corporate bonds of 50 crore. As soon as that materializes, we'll be able to release the salary for the month of October. They patiently listened to me, and they offered their the suggestions also. So our corporate bonds we had tried to raise for we have been trying to raise for last 10 days, but it is getting rejected by the Bombay Stock Exchange and SEBI, the Securities and the Board of India. So this is because we haven't completed our audited statement for the last 3 years. So all these technical details, suffice it to say that the corporate bond offer was rejected. So we're bending over backwards to get the corporate bonds listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange so that we can immediately draw 50 crore. When that comes, we'll be able to release the salary. So I told them that please give us some time for till the first week of December, so that we'll be able to get some sense into whether we'll be able to raise the bonds. And I have already written to the Power Finance Corporation for immediate short-term loan of 17 crore. That is also should be cleared this week, because today is a holiday in entire North India and in Western India, because of which so many problems. And the Power Finance Corporation, the Director of Finance in Power Finance Corporation is affected by COVID, and she is in ICU, because of which so many of our proposals are pending with the Power Finance Corporation. So there are so many such issues which are beyond our control, which we have tried our best to convey it across to the employees. So they patiently listen to me, and they promise me that they will cooperate with. In fact, I have some messages which the employees themselves have sent immediately after the meeting got over, saying that they stand by the management in these truly testing times, and they'll patiently wait for the decision of the management, and they will not resort to any of the protest. That's what they promised me during the meeting and after the meeting also. So I don't think the employees understand the crisis situation, and I truly believe that the employees will not resort to any protest or hartal or any strike or any of the such things. So I have the figures. So for casual employees, we require 6 crore per month, which we have released for the month of October. For casual employees, we require 2.84 crore, which we have already released. For class 4, we require 5.34 crore. Class 3 employees, we require 6.67 crore. For class 2 employees, we require 5.34 crore. Class 1 employees, 2.83 crore. CPS employers contribution 34 lakh in a month. EPF employers contribution 25 lakh in a month. And the pension requirement is 11 crore per month. So total is 36 crore we require in a month for both pension and salaries of all.